Hey, George Wickens here, and I'm going to be doing an honest review, a testimonial of the Breakout Code released by my good friends Mark and James. This is going to be an honest review. Unlike other people who do reviews, they just say, give all the praises, even though it could be a BS product, just try and get someone to buy. I don't do that. I do general, like, real reviews. If I think it's garbage, I'm going to say it's garbage, and I'll still upload it. If you're watching this on YouTube, and it is first here, please subscribe to the channel, the Super Funnel Hero channel, and click that bell so you can get alerts for when I do upcoming trainings and other reviews. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to share my screen, and also what I'm going to be getting, if you purchase this, if you like the review and everything I show you here, if you purchase this through my link below, either on this page or on the YouTube channel, the link in the description, I'm going to be giving you a series of bonuses. As you can see right here, this is my George Wickens insane bonus bundle for the Breakout Code and everything here. So literally, you're going to be discovering how truly a newbie went from 0 to 150K in just a short few months. And as you see here, all you have to do is just click on one of these buttons here. It will actually bring you over to here, the sales page, and get it. So I will want to show you the bonuses I'm going to be giving you. I'm actually going to show you inside and show you exactly the training and the content that's inside. So I actually have a series of bonuses for you. I'm just going to go through. So bonus number one, if you purchase this through my link below, again, either on the button below this video or in the description in the YouTube channel where you're on right now. Bonus one, I'm going to give you something that's going to help you boost your online sales, as you can see here. And it's going to show you how to sell the second glass to your customers. You may be thinking, what's that? You're going to understand, you're going to fully understand that and see it inside the bonus when you purchase the Breakout Code from me today, once I go through the review and everything here. And this actually has a real lifetime value of $97. It's not something just hyped up price. It's actually a real lifetime value that you would actually have to go and pay. But I'm going to be giving it to you completely free just as one of my bonuses today with the Breakout Code. So bonus number two is Facebook ads, which I know people personally generate hundreds of thousands, even some people millions of dollars with Facebook ads. And with this bonus here, we're going to show you how you can leverage it with the Breakout Code to be able to leverage a highly sophisticated social snooping and, personally build up your brand, everything with Facebook for affiliate marketing business, if that's what you're using for, and everything there. Again, it's a real lifetime value of $97. You're going to get that completely free when you get the Breakout Code today. Okay, that's bonus number two. So bonus number three is the buy-click Rolodex. Consistently, like mail broadcasts, also offset your cost and up your conversions. We always want to get better conversions and lower cost. It's going to show you that and implement everything here, which is with the Breakout Code. That there, I don't know why it says $7, but actually the value of that is $97 again. That's how I like to do my bonuses. I like to give you $100 for each thing that I like to give you. So you're going to get the buyer click Rolodex as well, which again, you would have to go and pay $97 if you went elsewhere to get this. And remember, these bonuses are literally just subject to my link, and I'm going to show you how it's hard coded and everything for that, so don't worry, okay? But again, let's go back here. So that's bonus number three. So bonus number four is 30 ways to get free traffic. Obviously, paid traffic is the best source of traffic out there. That's a lot of training I do in my free courses, my Super Funnel Hero free course and everything like that. But free traffic's also good. I generate thousands of dollars from free traffic. I actually, in a free course I'm going to give you for free as well, I generated over $42,000 in 10 days, completely free on Facebook. You're going to get that as well. So you're going to be getting this, learn 30 different ways to get methods of traffic to your offers, to your affiliate links, to actually get real sales as well. This, again, has a real value of $97. As bonus four, if you go and get the Breakout Code with my link, either if you're on a page from my email list or anything like that, buttons directly below, or if you're watching this on YouTube, the link in the description. So bonus number five is the affiliate marketing blueprint. With the Breakout Code, I'm going to be showing you, because I've gone through it, like everything. I'm going to be showing you everything as well. But with this here, it's going to give you the extra step ahead, so you can have an advantage over the people around you to be able to generate even more money. Okay, so that's bonus number five from me. And actually inside here, they're actually giving you a ton of bonuses as well, which I'm going to show you here right now. The bonuses they're going to be giving you as well, which Mark and James are going to be viewing. Bonus one, a free case study how to get, $1,000 days. I've seen Mark do this, and I'm going to be showing you as well when I go into members of why I know he's making this money, because he's actually one of my affiliates for one of my products, and I see the sales coming in from what he's doing. So bonus number one from him, including the bonuses you're going to get off me, is a free case study to $1,000 days, which I think is incredible. That's value of $297. Bonus two, the breakout code bonus funnel. A lot of people give away free funnels, actually garbage, don't even work. I've gone through, I sent traffic to this funnel myself and tested it. This does truly work. You're going to get that bonus as well. Bonus three, a surefire list building strategy. It's incredible. I'm going to go through more this, but you're getting 4 extra bonuses as well. So if you, again, click on the link below, and if you're watching this on YouTube, in the description, it's going to bring you to this page. Just come to one of these buttons, click it, and then it's going to bring you over to the sales page, as you can see here, and it's going to, you'll be able to get instant access. And this is literally just $12.95 as the current price of this right now. So as you can see here on the sales page, it has one click, a blast of $1,432 in cash. New case study reveals little known breakout hack that's making James $58,000 monthly, and there you can reciprocate in 20 minutes. I know usually with a lot of stuff on Warrior Plus and stuff like that, there's a lot of hype. Stuff does actually work. This does truly work. So let's actually just go inside now into the members area. As soon as you come here, this is actually Mark James's business partner. There's a little introduction through there, and there's some free live training workshops they do. I went on there secretly just to test out if it's actually giving value content, and they are giving very, very, very valued content in there. So that's that here. So when you come in here, it's going to have the 150K breakout case study. And there's James there. He goes in deep, actually shows you real-time results, showing you what he's actually been earning inside Warrior Plus as an affiliate. And literally, he did go from $0 to $150,000 in revenue in 3 months, okay? He's going to show you exactly how he does it, and how I know, again, is because he is actually one of my affiliates, and he uses this breakout code method to basically send me money, and obviously he gets half the commissions, but to be able to do that as well. A full in-depth training right there. And obviously you have the affiliate breakout, get the breakout code mindset. Obviously mindset is key for your online business and everything like that. You need to have the right mindset. And it's good that you actually put that in there. There's a lot of training in this part here. How to find hot products to promote. So he actually shows you products what are good to promote, that you're actually going to get sales from and everything there. And more importantly, ones with low refund rates. Because it's no good sending on a vendor, a product creator, a ton of sales if they have a really high refund rate. Because you're going to get the sales, yeah, but then that person's refunds, and you're actually going to be losing out on all that money. You don't want that whatsoever. And then what he's going to be doing, he's going to go and how to get approved for hot products. Because a lot of vendors, if you're brand new, you might be watching as a complete newbie. Don't worry, this will work for you. But if you're trying to get approved for products, some vendors might not ever want to accept you, but he's going to show you how you can do it, and how he done it as a complete newbie to be able to get onto these top affiliates, vendors, products, and promote them. Okay, so that's just that in that section there, the affiliate breakout. And then after that, you have the breakout funnels. Okay, so with this here, he has the breakout funnels here, gives you literally a full rundown how it actually works and how he implements it. Okay, in full in-depth details. And again, don't think you'll get information overload or it might overwhelm you. He's put this in such fun and simple, easy steps. Anyone, even if you just started online today, you've just stumbled across this video, you can get started with that there. How to build opt-in pages of click funnels, thank you pages. He literally shows everything for autoresponder, which is a good thing because he goes into like email marketing, which he could have done as a separate course, but he just done it as himself. So I think that's really good as well. And so he does breakout email marketing 101, like list building, which is key because the money's inside the mailing list. And he goes through that. And then he goes building your epic breakout code follow-up sequence. He actually gives you an email sequence and everything as well. Does all that for you. How to send cash on demand emails. So what he actually does, why I think is really cool on this part, he actually writes an email there in front of you, So instead of like a lot of people say, yeah, this is how we do this, but then they go and do something else. He does it there in front of you on this video, shows you how to write it, how to do it, even gives you the emails and does everything there and sends an email live on the training, which I think is really good. List segmentation shows you how to get more opens, more clicks, more sales, everything there. So that's in the email cache breakout section. And obviously breakout traffic, look, loads of like tracking stuff. There's a ton of stuff there. And obviously all the bonuses that I mentioned there, okay? So again, like I said, there's a lot of stuff out there, people promoting that. I generally do think this is a very good product. I highly recommend you get. And again, let me just run over these bonuses and everything again for you. So look, bonus number 1, okay, a quick recap. Bonus number 1, you're going to show you how to boost your online sales with a value of $97. You get it completely free. Bonus number 2, I'm going to show you how to do Facebook ads, again, with a value of $97. You're going to get that completely free if you use the link in the description if you're watching this on YouTube, or you click the button below on this video. Or bonus number 3, the buy bonus and number 3, I'm sorry. The buy click Rolodex, again, a value, I've got to change it, it says $7. But even if it was $7, it's still free. But a value of $97. Bonus 4, 30 ways to get free traffic with a value of $97. You're getting that completely free from me. And bonus number 5, finally from me, is a value of $97. It's the affiliate marketing blueprint. So if you click the link again on YouTube, it brings this page. Just come here, click this, and it will bring you over to this sales page where you can make the purchase. And I'm going to show you as well where you can actually access these bonuses once you make the purchase. So the value from me, right, if you take action right now, the value from me is $485 I'm giving you, okay? $485. Then the value from the breakout code, their bonuses, is actually $1,388. Combined, that is a total value. If you actually left here now and went and bought this separately, where you can get it for free, you actually have to spend $1,873. But you're going to have all this now if you use the link in the description on this YouTube video, which will bring this page, then you click this button, or if you're on this page already on watching the video, click one of the buttons, you're actually be able to get this for $12.95 one-time fee. Lifetime access as well. Oh, lifetime access as well for that. So everything's here. And just quickly as well, what other people are saying about the breakout code. These are real people. I know Lyndon very well. He's from Australia. This is what Lyndon says, okay? I'll just quickly go through what Lyndon says, and then also you can read these other ones yourself. So Lyndon said, what can I say, guys? I'm totally blown away that you have literally handed the system over on a silver platter for me to use and implement. I've always been skeptical, which, trust me, Lyndon is very skeptical. I speak to Lyndon all the time. I was always skeptical when it comes to this stuff, but the info you guys teach about getting in the right mindset, setting up the funnels, the traffic, and list building has really made me believe it's possible to hit 6 figures in no time. It truly is with this. I highly recommend for anyone, even if you're making money online, use this because you can use it to upscale to earn even more. If you've never made a dime online before, use this because you can use this to make money online. So that's what people are saying. So as you can see, there's a timer on this page. Once it hits 0, my bonuses will expire. So feel free, go and check out other people's stuff. But with me, I provide value all the time. And also, I have my own Super Funnel Hero, as you can see, is the name of this YouTube channel. It's the name of my products, everything that I have a free Facebook group. I provide a ton of training, everything there. So again, it's a total value of $1,873. You can get it right now for $12.95. Okay, so what I would highly recommend you do right now is clicking the link in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. Go on over to my page, have a quick look at my bonuses again, click one of the blue buttons, go over to the sales page and buy this product right now while you can, because it's hot stuff. It actually generally works, so make sure you do that. Or if you're watching this on just the normal page, which is on now because I've uploaded the video on there as well, click the blue link below, do it right now, go and make the purchase and do it. So you may be wondering, so I'm going to share my screen again, where can you access your bonuses? Okay, that's simple, no problem. So what you actually do, so as you can see on here, down here, I actually have this here on the bottom of the page. What you do, you will go into your thing here. So you go to like George Rickens here. So you go purchase history. And then when it appears up, it'll have all your offers there. Go into the breakout code. And then as you can see here, it'll have the blue button and it will say access affiliate bonuses. And then you can access it there. So without further ado, that is my honest review of the Breakout Code. I highly, highly, highly recommend you go and grab it now. You won't regret it. And again, when the timer hits 0, these bonuses expire and you're going to lose out. And if you come back to me like, oh, George, it just expired by 2 minutes or 30 seconds or 5 seconds, please can I have the bonuses? No, you're going to have to pay it. So you're going to have to give me over like $1,800. Or you can just go and click the button below now for $12.95 and get started right now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you're watching this on YouTube, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. George out.